low sweep plus sidekick, or practical application. The low sweep is highly effective. As your opponent steps in, the instant their foot lands before their balance, hit with a low sweep. It can stop the attack or seriously injure the knee. When your opponent's leg is straight, kick above the knee. It can stop the attack or break their balance. Professional technique. Do not imitate. Situation 3. As your opponent throws a punch, lean back slightly and strike the knee with a low sweep. Fast, simple, unexpected. That's the low sweep. The low sweep has many practical applications. You can use it before your opponent attacks or during the attack. For example, catch a kicking leg and strike the supporting knee. Fast, direct, and devastating, this technique is extremely dangerous. Professional technique. Do not imitate. The famous sidekick. Here are 2 common applications. Kick the chest or the stomach. As your opponent charges in, step forward and fire a sidekick. Maximum power. Instantly breaks their balance. Another variation, the high side kick, targets the head. It is an extremely dangerous technique. A clean strike can cause immediate incapacitation and serious injury. Professional technique. Do not imitate. The spinning elbow is one of the most devastating strikes in combat sports. It hides behind movement. It lands when you least expect it. A quick turn, a sharp elbow, one clean shot, timing, precision, explosion. That's why the spinning elbow has produced some of the most spectacular KOs in MMA and Muay Thai. Professional athletes, do not imitate. The tiger's claws are its ultimate weapons. In the wild, every strike is fast, fierce, and precise. They seize, tear, and dominate with incredible power. Tiger claw isn't just about strength. It's about timing, accuracy, and relentless pressure. In Tiger Fist, the tiger claw is one of the most important techniques. Powerful, explosive, unstoppable. Professional martial arts demonstration. Do not imitate.
The training drills for tiger head.
Want stronger fingers? Try grabbing a bucket of rice. It looks simple, but it's incredibly effective. The tiny grains create constant flowing resistance. Every squeeze builds stronger fingers, a stronger grip, and more powerful hands. Small grains, big results.
The training drills for low kick and side kick.
Low sweep training. Lift the knee, drive the kick down, repeat, 100 reps a day. Build explosive power like a steel hammer. Train with control.
The training drills for 饿虎探巢，横扫千军。黑虎遮面 The black tiger to cover their face. It's important your hand has to be fast, strong to protect no matter what coming to you. But more importantly is your footwork.
Angle forward, then turn this way, same thing. You really have to turn your hip, your body, right here, and your knee as well. To make the quick you can, the same thing, right here, and you make that step quick. Relax, and you can with your pants.
That's all for today, my friend. The Tiger Kung Fu combos is a lot content, a lot to remember. Don't hurry to doing one step at a time. A little bit improvement each day, and that is a lot for a week, for months. So stay disciplined. Consistency is the key of everything. So I see you in next video. Bye now. Peace. Bye bye.